Did you know that you can make thousands of dollars just by using Snapchat? Whether you're an influencer, entrepreneur, or just someone who loves social media, Snapchat offers multiple ways to earn money. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Snapchat has over 400 million daily active users, making it a gold mine for earning money. From Snapchat Spotlight to brand collaborations and even selling products, the opportunities are endless. Let's break it down step by step. Snapchat Spotlight is like TikTok's For You page, where users discover viral short videos. Snapchat pays creators millions of dollars every month for popular content. How to make money with Spotlight. Create engaging, high quality, and entertaining snaps. Follow trends. Use viral music, challenges, or funny skits. Post consistently. The more videos you upload, the higher your chances of getting views. Get a lot of engagement, likes, shares, and views to increase your earnings. If you have a decent following, brands will pay you to promote their products through sponsored snaps. How to get brand deals on Snapchat. Build a niche audience, whether it's fashion, fitness, gaming, or tech. Show engagement stats, views, screenshots, and interactions to potential sponsors. Join influencer marketing platforms like Aspire, Upfluence, or Brand Snob to connect with brands. Directly reach out to brands via email or social media, offering to promote their products. Snapchat isn't just for fun. It's a powerful platform to sell products and services. Whether you own a clothing brand, sell digital products, or offer coaching services, Snapchat can drive sales. Ways to sell on Snapchat. Create a Snapchat business account and add a shop now link to your profile. Use engaging snaps to showcase your products with swipe up links. Offer exclusive discounts for your Snapchat followers. Leverage Snapchat ads to reach a wider audience. Another way to make money is by offering exclusive content through private Snapchat stories or Snapchat Premium. How to monetize private Snapchat stories. Offer exclusive content, behind the scenes, tutorials, or premium entertainment. Charge a monthly subscription fee using platforms like Patreon, OnlyFans, or Gumroad. Promote your premium Snapchat story on other social platforms. You don't need your own product to make money. With affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products. How to make money with affiliate marketing. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact. Share product links in snaps with a swipe up option. Make honest recommendations to increase trust and sales. Snapchat ads allow you to promote a business, website, or product and earn money through traffic or sales. Ways to make money with Snapchat ads. Run dropshipping ads to sell trending products. Drive traffic to a monetized website or YouTube channel. Promote a business or affiliate offer. Now that you know how to make money on Snapchat, here's your action plan to get started today. Step 1. Choose your monetization method, Spotlight, brand deals, selling, affiliate marketing, etc. Step 2. Optimize your Snapchat profile and start posting engaging content. Step 3. Build an audience and monetize using the strategies we discussed. Step 4. Stay consistent and experiment with different revenue streams. With the right strategy, Snapchat can become your next income stream. So start today and turn your snaps into cash. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Which Snapchat method do you want to try first? Let me know in the comments.